Good evening. My name is Mahadeep. I am a CSC student at Baylor Institute of Technology. Firstly, I would like to thank you, Professor Suman Mukherjee, for this opportunity. It's my pleasure to introduce my technical English 1 project, that is product design. I am successfully completed the design in guidance of Professor Suman Mukherjee. My registration number is 20BDS0285. Now, let me introduce my product is Need of Smart Controlling Traffic. So, my product is smart controlling traffic lights using AI and why it is needed. Let us go into it. The congestion of urban traffic is becoming one of the critical issues with increasing population and automobiles in cities. Traffic jams not only cause extra delay and stress for the drivers but also increase fuel consumption, air transport costs and increases carbon dioxide air pollution. There can be different causes of congestion in traffic like insufficient capacity, unrestrained demand, large letter delays, etc. The traffic lights are one of the critical factors affecting in the traffic flow. Controlling system for traffic. Manual controlling. Manual controlling, as the name suggests, the requirement of manpower to control the traffic. The traffic police are allotted for a required area to control the traffic. The traffic police carries a signboard, signlet, and whistle to control the traffic. Then, automatic controlling system. Automatic traffic light is controlled by times and electric sensors. In traffic light, a constant numerical value loaded in the timer. The lights are automatically getting on and off based on the timer value. Nowadays, we have seen this type of automatic controlling system in the cities and electronic sensors. Another advanced method is placing some loop detectors on the road. The sensor gives data about the traffic on the road. According to the sensor, the traffic signals are controlled. Here we go, the proposed system. The traffic flow has no specific pattern that is followed, and the static signal timer poses a huge problem to the already critical problem of congestion. Therefore, implementing a system which aims to reduce the changes of such scenarios by automatically computing the optimal green signal time based on the current traffic at the signal, which ensure that direction of more traffic is allotted as green signal for longer duration as time as compared to the direction of lesser traffic. What are the objects needed for this product and how it works? Let us see. LiDAR, camera and some computer algorithm is required for executing this product design. Solar panels, battery and Arduino controller. Arduino controller which uses to changes the optimal signals with respect to the time. How the respective objects will do the work in my product design. Let us see. The LiDAR. The LiDAR which present across the road will first detect the object in a 3D manner and display the number of objects present across the path, and it will send to the input 1 to the computer program. Then the camera snaps the object and able to detect which type of object it is, whether it is a car, bat, woman or a dog, by using the artificial intelligence. Then this information will sell to software code. There's some algorithm given by the mankind to calculate the total time required to the number of vehicles with respect to their line. Finally, the output. After analyzing the input 1 and input 2 combined with the use of AI, it calculates the time with respect to the total number of objects, and the time will be set accordingly into the traffic signal time controller with respect to their line. Here is the flowchart of my project design where you can easily understand what is the use of my project. Here the solar panel connected to the battery and battery charges to the LiDAR, and LiDAR will scan the objects in 3D manner and count the number of objects are present along the path, and the camera snaps the objects and able to detect whether it is bus, car or a human by using the artificial intelligence. Then this information will send to the computer code where some algorithm will be executed to find out the particular time with respect to their path. Then this time will be sent to the Arduino controller which changes the optical signals with respect to the given time. This is how both the LiDAR sensors and camera work together using artificial intelligence in my product design, which able to reduce the time in the traffic along with their path with respect to the number of vehicles. Let's see how my project design will work through this stimulation. See the time changes in their respective line according to the number of vehicles. In the line 2, the number of vehicles are very less, so it allows something like 5 seconds times to the vehicle to cross the signals with respect to the number of vehicles. Let's play the stimulation. You see, so these 5 seconds is sufficient to the vehicles to cross the signal. Similarly, the line 3 it allots something 34 seconds time to the vehicles to cross the signal, and it is sufficiently enough. Then it crossed to the line 4 and it gives some 54 seconds to the time to the vehicles to cross the signal, and it is also sufficient to enough to cross the signal. Then it will again shift to the line 1, and here also vehicles are very less, hence it sufficient 10 seconds to cross this signal light. Hence this is so my design is perfectly allotting the time with respect to the line, and it is much sufficient time to cross the signal for the vehicles, and also saving the much time for everyone. And finally, thank you everyone, especially Soman Mukherjee sir for giving this opportunity. Thank you.